Hello.
Hello.
Right, I've been sent this. I saw this man at Chelsea Flower Show. It's from Dale Foot Compost in Penrith. And what he's done is made, I said, I don't particularly like peat-free compost for roses because they don't like being dry at the roots. So what I always do, I mix peat-free compost and garden soil to get it, keep them nice and moist. Well, this is made out of sheep's wool, comfrey and bracken, and he makes it himself, and it looks like absolutely beautiful stuff. It looks like soil. So what I'm going to do,
It smells really nice.
This smells nice, and so I'm going to do a trial on this to see if a rose can survive in a pot with just this compost and no soil. If this works, then I've cracked growing roses in pots. Are you ready? Interesting fact?
Interesting fact.